How to permanently delete your Facebook account after the latest update. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How Do Apps. This is Bipin Basnath and today I'll guide you on how you can permanently delete your Facebook account after the latest update. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through here. First, you want to open up your Facebook application and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Right now, once here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you can either tap on the gear icon at the top right corner beside the search icon, or if you scroll down below, you want to tap on settings and privacy option and then tap on settings. Either ways, you'll be headed into settings. Then you want to find the option meta that says account center and you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can see you'll get an interface like this. Under account settings, you want to head into the second option that says personal details. Simply tap on personal details and then tap on account ownership and control, and here what you want to do is you want to tap on deactivation or deletion option, and then you want to select your Facebook account. Since you want to delete your Facebook account, simply tap on it and then make sure the tick mark is on the delete account. For that, you will have to simply tap on it and make sure the blue check mark that you can see here on the screen is on the delete account option, and then simply tap and continue. It'll ask you for your Facebook password. Enter in your password and your account will be deleted permanently. So this way you can delete your Facebook account permanently after the latest update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.